Hello students. So today we'll be learning in a digital format. So today we will learn about animals need food and shelter. So just like human beings, kids, plants and animals also require certain food, shelter to live, right? So in this chapter we will learn about the animals, their need, their food and the shelter. Okay, so let's get started. Let's begin with the food. So animals need food to live, right? Since food gives us what? Energy. So animals also need food to live. They eat different kind of food, right? They have different eating habits. So some animals eat plants or their parts, right? Just like cow, horse, giraffe, right? They eat what? The plant parts, sometimes bushes. Then there are some animals that eat flesh of other animals, just like lion, crocodile, snake, tiger. Kids, these animals eat the other animal, okay? Some animals eat grains, for example, pigeon, squirrel, mouse, hen, right? These animals eat the grains, okay? And there are then other animals who eat insects, so crow, spider, lizard, frog, right? These are the animals that eat the other animals smaller than them. So these are insects. Do you know a goose is a bird which can fly in the sky, walk on the land and swim in the water. So can you see the multitasking thing of the goose? It's a bird, can fly, walk on the land and also swim in the water. So kids, there are animals who eat both plants and flesh. For example, a dog, okay? Here's a dog biting a bone. A cat eating a fish. A bear eating a fish. A dog also eating bread. Then a cat also eat paneer or drinks milk. A bear eating honey, right? So can you see that dog or the cat or the bear, they all eat what? The plants also, the flesh also. Now let's talk about the shelter of these animals. So animals also need shelter. What is a shelter? It's a home, right? So animals also need a home to live in. So animals live in different kinds of home. What are the different kind of home? So do you know a cuckoo does not make its own nest. It lays its eggs in the nest of other birds. So cuckoo is the only bird that do not make its home, basically the nest. It lays the eggs in the nest of the other bird like crows. Okay. Now let's talk about the animals. So birds make a nest, okay, and monkeys live on the trees. A lion lives in a den. Den is what? A cave-like thing. Now an owl lives in a owlry. A rabbit makes a burrow, okay? And then fish lives under the water. So now can you see the different animals have different kind of houses. People also make houses for their domestic animals, right? The animals that they tame, like the pet animal. So we keep hens in a coop, right? We build this coop for them. We keep a dog in a kennel. So the house of the dog is called the kennel. Now we have sheep, okay? So we keep sheep in a fold. We have fish which lives in aquarium, okay? Then we have cow, so we keep cows in a shed. We keep horses in a stable. So these are different houses of different animals. So in this chapter we learned that homes of animals also protect them from heat, cold, rain and wild animals, just like human beings live in their houses which protect them. We should provide comfortable and cozy homes for our pets and take care of them properly. We should also provide them with food and water when they are hungry or thirsty, right? So we should take care of their needs, their food and their shelter. So I hope this chapter is clear to you. So based on the understanding from this chapter, you have to revise and do the exercise in your homework.